How to watch Netflix for free. So if you want to watch Netflix for free, then first open up your Google or your browser, anything that you're comfortable with. Go with search, and under search you need to search for Netflix free trial and tap on help.netflix.com, and it will take you to this kind of interface where you can simply choose the location. So if you're using a location like America or Canada or Australia, then you will get the free trial. But many countries don't offer the free trial. For example, I'll be choosing Australia. Once you choose Australia, now you just need to simply scroll down, and here you will have, so here it says that Netflix does not offer free trials, but you have the freedom to change your plan or cancel online at any time if you decide Netflix isn't for you. So in 2024, Netflix has stopped giving free trials. So Netflix does not offer free trials right now. So if you don't get the free trial, then what you need to do is just go with a new tab, and you need to enter T-Mobile Netflix free trial, and then go with the T-Mobile, which is www.tmobile.com under Netflix, and then scroll down, and here it says that to get started with your subscription, you just need simply tap on get started, and T-Mobile will offer you a free Netflix subscription. If you create your T-Mobile and Netflix account at once, and if you link your account, then you'll be able to have the Netflix subscription, and that's the only way. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.